I veliki pozdrav svima i dobrodošli u novi video. Ljudi, danas radimo reakciju na Behind the Scenes film Go to Sleep o Jeffu, naravno. Prošli put smo radili, samo sekund. Ništa, nema veze. Prošli put smo radili reakciju na film, ovo je drugi deo u kojem radimo reakciju na Behind the Scenes. Klip traje 4 minuta i 43 sekunde i odmah ćemo se baciti.
Bravo, take 3, Mark. These short films are gonna kill me one day. A slow, painful death.
Most elaborate murder plan of all time. Start a production company. Get Tony involved.
We're in it for the
Slowly murder him.
We're in it for the long con. This is the real mind fuck.
And Matt said he'll probably be here in about 40 minutes because of traffic.
40 minutes? Are you serious?
And doing makeup, I'm doing hair, I'm sounding sick.
Dude, hurry up!
Fancy. We're all gonna be sleeping real hard.
We're setting up for the shot. It's taken about like an hour now, I think, because I haven't been here. And since I've gotten here, it's been about 20 minutes. And it's still being set up. Whose fault is it? What?
Whose fault is it?
Chris.
How do you feel, man?
Moist. Scene 1, take 1, Mark. Second 6.
Wasn't in the frame.
Third 6. So she can see all of us, and we're just like,
What's up, Sheila?
What's up?
What time is it?
It's 5:30 in the morning.
5:30?
5:45 a.m.
Damn.
I feel like this is ruining the interview. It's just making it really dramatic for no reason.
You just know it.
Where's my assistant? Darling, there you are. Here she is.
Those comfortable? They're getting there. I think in like 5 minutes we'll be comfortable. Yeah, there you go. Now slide it in over the button. So you got to push down the button and then slide it into the receiver.
Oh, I like that. It's like just going in and out. It's freaking me out.
There's a knife in front of you.
Oh, good.
Yeah, perfect.
Shoot the field upstairs. We're going back upstairs
No, I ate mine first.
for a few shots.
Wait, so you see his face in that shot?
What the fuck? Sick move, Daddy.
He's sleeping. He's just sleeping. Let's cut him awake. Like that.
Photo shoot for both. How's your evening going?
It's going fantastically. Very emotional.
Yeah.
Feeling some feels. What's up? 45.
There we got everything?
No, it's still on another day to shoot.
Oh shit.
But we got all like the the night shit at the shooter's house. So.
Yeah, I shot everything that we needed to shoot here at this apartment.
Nice.
We got one day in the studio in the Black Void.
To je to. Dobro, sve u svemu zanimljivije malo nego Behind the Scenes iz Into the Blind. To je brate, zvučalo kao nešto srećno, ovo brate malo više liči na blagu neku vrstu horora zbog samih zvukova u pozadini i zbog samih nekih scena koje smo vidjeli, tako da eto, to je moje mišljenje. Film je u svemu odličan, nemam primjedbi, tako da eto, to je to. Mi se vidimo u sljedećem klipu, a do tada od mene imate jedan veliki pozdrav. U subotu neću ništa snimati, zato što sam prekoračio klipove, izbacio sam 197, a trebalo je 196. I mislio sam da sam izbacio da mi je preračunan viška, pošto bi se nekad desilo da mi kaže manji broj klipova. Sve sam onda posle preračunao i dalje su 197, tako da se u subotu ništa ne snima, od subote se odmaram od ovog kanala. Do idućeg klipa, pozdrav, lajkujte video i subscribeujte se na kanalu.